My name is Neelam Wahi and this video is for class 7 students. In last video I told you about exercise 2.5. Okay, we have done 2-3 questions. Now again we will repeat the same exercise. Okay, in exercise 2.5 our first question is related with which is greater. Okay, we have to compare this numbers. Few questions I have written, others questions you have to do as homework. Okay, this is question number 2, which is related with write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. We have to write these numbers in expanded form. Few questions I will give as homework. I have written only 2 questions here, and the question number 3 is related with question number 6 is related with write the place value of 2. Okay, the digit 2. We have to write the place value of digit 2 in the following decimal numbers. Few questions I will give as homework. Okay, so before explaining these questions I want to tell you the place value of decimal numbers. Okay, how we will decide, how we will write the place value of the decimal numbers. Okay, suppose I am writing a number 3185. You all know that from the class 1 or 2, you know that the number which is in the first place, means which came from the right hand side first, the place value of this number is ones. The place value of this number is ones. The number which is came from the right hand side second digit is known as tens. The third number is known as hundreds, and the fourth number is known as thousands. After that 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Okay, you all are aware with that. What about the number which is coming after decimal point? Suppose I am writing 318.527. okay, this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Okay, now what are the place value of the numbers which are coming after the decimal point? Okay, the first digit, means after point, the first digit is 5. So the place value of this 5 is known as 10th. Okay, see, here is tens, here is 10th. Okay, means the value of this 5 is 5 upon 10. Understood? The value of this 5 is 5 upon 10, or we are telling the place value of this 5 is 10th. Okay, 10th, th. Here is tens. Now what is the next digit is 2. What is the next digit? 2. So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 after point is hundredth. Okay, th, hundredth, and what is here? Hundreds. Okay, the place value of this 2 is 2 upon 100. Okay, now what is the next digit? 7. So the place value of this 7 is thousandth. Okay, means the value of this 7 is 7 upon 1000. Okay, in some simple language we can say, if after point only first digit is there, means upon 10. After point second digit is there, then upon 100. And after point third digit is there, means upon 1000. After point 3 digit 30, 2 digit 20, 1 digit 10. Okay, so come here in the question number 1. Which is greater? See, this is 0.5, this is 0.05. okay, see, means this will become 5 upon 10, and this will become 5 upon 100. So tell me which is greater, 5 upon 10 or 5 upon 100? 5 upon 10 is greater. Okay, so 0.5 is greater than 0.05. In class 6 I told you that if you are confused that here after point only one digit is there and after point here two digits are there, then what you can do, you can add 1 0 here. Okay, you can write it as 0.50, 0.05. Now compare this 50 is greater or this 05 is greater? 50 is greater? Yes. So therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Okay. Now what is the next digit? 0.7. Here is 0.5. So you normally know that 0.7 is greater. Okay. Then 0.5. Here is 7. 0.7. You know that? Yes. 7 is greater than 0.7. So 7 is greater than 0.7. Okay. Now question number 2. Write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. So you already know to write the numbers in expanded form. Means what is here? 20. This is 20. And after point two digits are there. So this 0 will become 0 upon 10. I told you na, after point first digit is known as upon 10 and second digit is known as upon 100. Okay. So the first digit is 0. So what we will write here? 0 upon 10. The second digit is 3. So what we will do? We will write 3 upon 100. Okay. Now the next question is 200.143. So 200 we will write as it is. Okay. Now this one, how we will write this one? 1 upon 10. How we will write this 4? 4 upon 100. How we will write this 3? 3 upon 1000. Okay. After point first digit means upon 10. After point two digit means upon 100. And after point third digit means upon 1000. Okay. You all have to complete this homeworks. Okay. Now the question number 6 is write the place value of digit 2 in the following decimal numbers. Okay. So this both the 2's are before point. So this 2, the place value of this 2 is ones. The place value of this 2 is tens. Okay. I am taking one more example. If any number is written 5 upon 2 1, then what is the place value of this 2? Is 10th. Okay. I told you na, after point the place value is known as 10th. First digit is after point first digit is there, then the place value of this is 10th. After point if the second digit is there, then the place value of this is 100th. And after point if the third digit is there, then the place value of this is 1000th. Okay. So here is after point our first number is coming. So the place value of this is 10th. Okay. One more example we will take. 5 upon 0 3 2. Okay. So after point first, second, third digit is here. So the place value of this 2 is 1000th. Okay. So you all have to complete this 3 questions. Question number 1, 2nd and 6th. Okay. I will click the photos of the question and send you also. Thank you.